How the AILEIKE ALKD91A electric pressure calibration station calibrates pressure transmitters. Next, let me explain the steps for you. Measurement range -0. 95 pascals. Transmitter output current, 420 milliamps. First is the pressure process. To install a standard gauge and transmitter for measuring air pressure. First, let's operate the wiring process of how a standard meter supplies power to the pressure transmitter and how to measure the transmitter current. First, connect the red test pen to the standard 24V output port. The black test pen is connected to the current interface. Finally, clamp the other end of the crocodile clip onto the transmitter's positive and negative power supply stages. You can see that the standard meter successfully powers the transmitter at the current level. The pressure value at atmospheric pressure is 0 mPa. The standard meter measured the transmitter current as 4 milliamps. Next, adjust the fine-tuning valve counterclockwise to the appropriate position. Then close the pressure relief valve. Next, press the pressure button to increase pressure until it reaches the calibration pressure value, then stop about right. Then use the fine-tuning valve clockwise to increase the pressure to 0.5 MPa. When the pressure value is 0.5 MPa, the standard meter measured the transmitter current as 8 milliamps. Continue pressing the pressure button to increase pressure until the pressure reaches about the desired value. Then use a fine-tuning valve to adjust the pressure to 1 MPa. When the pressure is 1 MPa, the standard meter reads the transmitter current as 12 milliamps. Repeat the same operation. Apply pressure to the next pressure value. 5 MPa and 2 MPa. The standard meter measured the transmitter currents as follows: 16 Ma 20 Ma. Next, decompression. Press the pressure reduction button to reduce the pressure to around the desired value. Stop. Then use the fine-tuning valve to adjust the pressure value. 5 MPa. When the pressure value is 1.5 MPa hours, the transmitter current is 16 milliamps. Perform the same operation. Reduce pressure to the next value of 1 MPa. 5 MPa. The currents are 12 Ma and 8 Ma respectively. Finally, open the pressure relief valve. The pressure relief reaches 0, and the measurement is complete. Next comes the vacuum process. To install standard gauges and transmitters for vacuum measurement. First, adjust the fine-tuning valve clockwise to the appropriate position. Then close the pressure relief valve. Then press the vacuum button to vacuum until it reaches about the calibrated vacuum value. Stop. Use the micro-adjustment valve to adjust the calibration vacuum value -0. 0.2 MPa. When the vacuum value is -0.2 mPa, measured by a standard meter, the transmitter current is 6 milliamps. Continue pressing the vacuum button to vacuum until the vacuum is around the desired value. When using a fine-tuning valve, the modulation vacuum value is -0.4 MPa. The vacuum value is -0.4 MPa. The standard meter measured the transmitter current as 13.3 milliamps. Repeat the same operation. Draw to the next vacuum value of -0.6 MPa, -0.8 MPa, -0.95 MPa. The standard meter measured the transmitter currents as follows: 9 milliamps, 5 Ma, 4 Ma, then decompression. Press the pressure reduction button to reduce the pressure until it reaches the vacuum value or so, then stop. Fine-tuning valve is set to vacuum value -0.8 MPa. When the vacuum value is -0.8 MPa, the transmitter current is 6.5 Ma. Repeat the same operation. Reduce pressure to the next vacuum value -0.6 MPa, -0.4 MPa, -0.2 MPa. The currents are 9 Ma 13, 3 milliamps 16. 6 milliamps. Finally, open the pressure relief valve. The pressure relief reaches 0, and the measurement is complete.